Hey everybody, welcome to Elk Grove's Bank Shots, the newest tap room here with some cold beer, great food, and some fun times. So let's go check it out. So Rob, tell us a little bit about this place, how it got started and all that.
Yeah, so this place was really, pretty much a roller coaster to get started. Started with the idea in 2019.
Okay.
Got our license in 2020. Obviously, we knew what happened in 2020.
COVID.
Then, everything just came to a halt for about 2 years. Ever since then, we're just going back and forth with, different obstacles, and fortunate enough, we're here.
Yeah.
We have 8 tournament-style pool tables, all professional style. Every Wednesday we have a 9-ball tournament.
Wednesdays,
starts
okay.
at 7. Yeah. Okay. Warm up at 6. If you were ever in the area, you want some friendly competition.
If you're good, you come out and play.
Or you can watch some good games. Honestly, a lot of the guys here or women here are really good as well.
Awesome, man. I see a lot of TVs out here. You guys got the games going on pretty much all the time?
Yeah. So we probably anything that's on right now. We pretty much have it. March Madness just passed. NFL is coming up soon.
NFL, okay.
Definitely. The NBA playoffs right now.
You guys got all the games for the NFLs, or you got the league pass?
We have all Niners games. We have all Niners games.
I bet you there's some Raider fans out there. What about the Raider fans?
You can go to LA to do that.
Oh man, that's funny. Thank you so much everyone for stopping by. Come out and hang out anytime you guys would like. They're open 7 days a week, all right?